What if you could use Bible verses and AI to make up to $500 a day without needing any tech skills? In this video, I'll show you how to combine free AI tools with inspiring scripture to create content that spread positivity and earn real income. Hey, if you are new, my name is Mumbi and welcome to Ease Tutorial AI. And if you have subscribed, please do subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. And if you got any questions, please leave them down below this video. And if you need my help, please get in touch. All the information in description below this video. So let's start our video. Okay, now whether you are looking for a side hustle or just wanted to spread positivity while you earning money, this method is beginner friendly, 100% is legal, and completely free to start. Now yes, people are making hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day online by sharing these Bible verses. No, it's not a joke. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do this too as well. It's very simple. By using a simple copy and paste method, no skills needed. Now let me show you this channel. Yeah, I want you to see this channel first. This channel, they do exactly the same what I'm talking about. The niche I'm talking about, this is exactly what they're doing, and I'm going to show you how to create these videos. Look how many viewing they have. Like this one, 363k viewer. Right, so they make a lot of money here. Now this is the part the money coming in. You see, this channel is being monetized. What this means is, if your channel, you grow your channel, your YouTube channel, and you get to 1k subscriber and 4,000 watch hours, you're going to be monetized. This means YouTube, they're going to play ad in your video and you're going to get paid. And another way to get money is to create a membership. You see this one is you create a membership. That means people, they can join this membership for £4.99 every single month. This is another way to make money. And people, they can donate as well. Let me show you here. Can you see there's some links here? People, they can buy you coffee. People, they're so generous, they can buy you coffee because you inspire them. People, they can support your channel through PayPal. You can even start your own digital product business, like this one I can see is in its shop. You can start your digital product business while you're selling these Bible verses, right? So the channel, let me show you roughly how much money they make this channel. Now this is channel here, we are in Social Blade. This is estimated how much money they make. Look, this 1,000k subscriber within 30 days. They had 4.4 million viewing within 30 days, and this is estimated money they earn for this channel a month, from 1k to 17k. This is estimated they make for this channel. For you to create only this simple video, people, they share and you get paid, and a year they make this amount, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. This channel should be inspiration for you. Okay, so let me show you. First step we're going to do now, first thing we need to find our Bible verses. How we're going to get those Bible verses? So if there's a different way, you can go to online. There's a website there, you can find them. Or the easy way I like to do is to go to this AI, which is free. You can go to DeepSeek or you can go to ChatGPT, and they can give you those verses. So now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can do this. Okay, so you can come here, go to Google and type DeepSeek, and once you here, this is DeepSeek here, click DeepSeek here. Once you go there in, there's a popping up will come. If you haven't if you haven't signed in with them, please sign in with them. It's free. For the instruction, you can use your Gmail account and you pop here. This is going to be your dashboard. Okay, for DeepSeek, and click here new chat and start to chat. So now we're going to give DeepSeek a prompt for him to give us those 10 popular Bible verses we can use for our video. Please give me 10 popular Bible verses, and when you finish to type that, click here, and DeepSeek is going to start to create those popular 10 Bible verses, which you start creating here. Now this is already created for us here. We can see you finish, we got 10 of them. You can ask as many as you want, and if you're not happy with this, you can create here, you can click here, it can regenerate again. Okay, so now once we already have our Bible verses, now the next step, we're going to Canva. We're going to Canva to start to create our short video there. Okay, the next step after when you finish with DeepSeek, now we already have our Bible verse. So now we come here to Canva. We're going to create a video. We're going to create a background video for our video. So come here to Google, type Canva. When you get here, this is Canva. Click here. Once you click here, go direct to Canva and sign up with them. It's free. Sign up with them. When you finish, this is going to be your dashboard here. Come here, YouTube short, because we're going to use this one for YouTube short. YouTube channel, we're going to do YouTube short. So you come here, I'm going to choose this one here. So you click this one, take this off, can delete all this off, or if you want more, can come here, click here to element and type here, like, seaside, or beaches, wherever you want to do it. So you come here, this is video here, and choose here, choose vertical. Once here, you go all these options, you can choose any of this one here. Okay, so you can choose, you might choose this one if you want. It's all up to you. Okay, so once you finish this, in this one, we're going to choose this one here. You click this one here, and you come to share. You download, click download, and you choose, we want the first page. That's what we want to download, this one, current page, and done, and click download. Okay, you click download, and this one is going to be in your video. The next step, we're going to create a video. I'm going to show you. Now we finish Canva. Now we already have our short video, which is going to be a background for our video. I'm going to show you. So come here to Google and type CapCut desktop. Once you type that, come here and click this one, CapCut desktop, and you get in this page here. I want you to go and download this CapCut. Once you download, this one is going to be in your computer, and then you open, and this is going to be your dashboard here. Okay, once you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. And while we're here, I'm going to show you how we can use those video, because now we create our video now. So we already have a Bible verses we want to use. We already have our background for our video, which we create that from Canva. Now we are in CapCut. We're going to edit our video. We're going to put everything together. So now come here, and here start with template. We're going to choose a template which we're going to use for our video. Now come down here, see this one, this is a template we're going to use. So click this one here. Once you click this one, use this template, click this one. Okay, now once you here, this is the template we're going to use. So we will change it background, and we will change this one here and this one. So go back to DeepSeek here. Now you see we go our verse, we take verse number 1 is John 3:16. So we copy that and we go to here, we come here, number 1, we paste that. Okay, you can see it's John 3:16, and we go back to DeepSeek here, we take the rest of the verse here, we copy, and we come back to CapCut, which is here, we change down here. Okay, you paste in there, You need to make it nice. Press enter. You can press enter, press enter, press enter. So now we already got something nice here. That is our vase here. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to change the background. Okay, so the background we're going to change that. Now come here, just click here, replace, and go in your computer and bring your video, the one we create in Canva. It's going to upload. Okay, now our background is already been replaced. You see, our background is already been replaced. Let's play the video. That is our video. It's very simple. It's very easy to do it. It take you like 5 minutes to do this one video. Okay, so once we finish this, come here to export. Click export, click download, and click export. Now this video is going to be in your computer. You can take this video and go in your YouTube channel and upload this video, or the same video, you can take this video, you can go to upload in TikTok and Instagram, and Instagram as well. So one video you can create, you can upload in 3 platforms. Okay, so once you finish this is how you're going to start to make money. Now, if this video is useful for you, please subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. Please share this video to someone else. You might need to hear this today. And if you need my help, please let me know. All the information you need to contact me are in description below. And if you need me to create a YouTube channel for you, I'm more than happy to do so. So get in touch. Thank you. This is Mumbi from Is Tutorial AI. See you in the next video. Bye.